Hello and welcome to this special presentation covering the second India Open National Taekwondo Championships from Pede Indoor Stadium at Mapsa. The competition brings to the fore the topmost talents in Taekwondo from India, as well as the up-and-coming players from different states of India, including host Goa. The event was a really thrilling spectacle held over 3 days. And in this series of highlights that we are going to telecast on Prudent, you will get to see all the action from this wonderful event organized by the Taekwondo Academy of Vasco under the leadership of Mahadev Chauhan, the secretary of the academy, as well as the Taekwondo Association of Goa Secretary General under the leadership of Advocate R.D. Mangeshkar. So sit back and enjoy the highlights that we are going to telecast only on Prudent, and this action includes the competition held in various categories starting from the mini sub-juniors and going up to the seniors event. The competition was conducted in two special events which are Koryogi and Pumse, which means the sparring and the kata. So here are the highlights from this event.
Here we are having a referee clinic before the start of the tournament, conducted by international referee Sri A.T. Raju from Bangalore. The referees are gearing up before the tournament starts, referee instructor is giving the instructions to give commands for the referees. Different instructions are going on, referee commands are going on, how the penalties are to be given. When the players make errors, mistakes, what are the penalties, what are the warnings, what are the decisions, how the deduction of points. So we have many of the international referees, so also national referees with class 1 and class 2 referees are also there. All the referees have come from different parts of the country like Uttarakhand, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh. Witnessing the instructions of the referees. Start of the match, dispersing the players out. This is the game we are witnessing here, the Chong and the Hong. Chong is a blue contestant and Hong is in the red contestant. So there is a kick from top on the head, Niro Chagi. The deduction point to Chong because he fell down, one Gamjum. Then the kick that he kicked, the point should be annulled because he fell down. The starting of the fight again by the referee from Karnataka. We are witnessing a good fight. It's a good punch, came on the chest guard of the red Hong. So there is some doubt by the officials, referees. They are clarifying with the center referee whether that point or whatever it is, a point should be added or it should be discarded. Clarification is over. The fight is restarting. So very good Dichagi by Chong, blue contestant. The penalty for falling down. Good action fights, double kicks. The players are playing good game for good face kick, that is swing kick. Definitely at 3 points. And point deduction for Chong, blue contestants, for going out of the court. Referee showing the points. Then restart of the match. Good Dichagi, but missed out. No contact to the opponent. Oh, good one. Khalio, that is stop. Keso, that is start again. So yeah, swing kick directly on the face. Good kicks coming up in the fight. So slap kick and swing kick. Again, both the contestants falling down. Referee giving gum jump penalty to the Chong for holding the opponent, and gum jump penalty to the Hong for pushing the opponent. So the Hong's coach has asked for clarification. There is some doubt in the mind of the Hong's coach, so referees are discussing, and the Hong's protest is annulled. He is not that his protest is wrong. Oh, good kick coming directly on the face. Oh, Dichagi back kick by Chong. Coming close each other, holding each other, referee separating them. So good fights going. Oh, falling down. Chong falling down. Penalty, gum jump penalty given to the Hong because he pushed him on the borderline, so he fell down. Restart of the match. Khalio, stop. Signaling of points. The last round. Khalio, Hong, we have 1 point deduction for kicking below the belt. So we have again good kicks coming up, but still, oh, nice kick, back kick by Chong. Gum jump penalty, 1 point deduction, he fell down. Okay. Yes. Good one, Khalio. Hong, gum jump for holding the opponent. So when the opponent holds, when the gum jump penalty for Chong for holding, when the player is holding the opponent and kicking the opponent, then there is no point calculated, because holding and kicking there is no point. So player should be alert that he should not be holding while kicking. So it's a good fight we are witnessing here. Both the players are aggressive. Oh, kick on the face. Helio, Chong, penalty, kicking below the waist, a little injury to the Hong. The coach is attending, point signaling, the referee is signaling the points score and declaration of the winner. The Hong red contestant has won the game. Now we have Pumse competition for the seniors above 17 years at the second India Open National Taekwondo Championship. This is Pumse. There are 8 jang being presented by the contestant. The Pumse particular dress code for the players who are doing Pumse is a good Pumse action we are witnessing. So good kicks, blocks, punches, end of the Pumse. This is a pro for coming at ease. The players have two Pumses in one round.
आमच्या बरोबर आसात ऑर्गनायझिंग सेक्रेटरी टायक्वांडो अकॅडमी ऑफ गोवाचे महादेव चव्हाण आणि हांगा आसात सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ टायक्वांडो फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडिया ॲडवोकेट R.D. मंगेशकार. हांकां आमी खूब पयलींच्यान वळखतात. He has also been the face of Goan Taekwondo for over 2 decades now. So this is a very big event, the second India Open National Taekwondo Championship held at the Prudent Indoor Stadium in Mapsa. This brings together top Taekwondo players as well as up-and-coming players from all over the country. Around 1,800 participants at this event, and we are going to talk to this gentleman what it took for organizing such a mega event. Mahadev, कितें challenges आसता असो येदो मोठो इव्हेंट ऑर्गनायज करपा खातीर आनी technical officials हांगा कशें आसा आनी overall how did it how it occurred to you that you must put together such a big event?
Definitely. Basically, what is there when organizing this big event, the main purpose is that in Goa, Taekwondo is at the topmost level. Players are playing. We also have players who are very good, who have excelled at national level, who have also excelled at international levels under Taekwondo Association of Goa. But when our peoples are going to play for the representing the states, it's hardly only the gold medalists of the state go and represent the state. There are many players in Goa, maybe some more than 500 people or 600 people. So they should also get an opportunity to represent at such type of events, and they should also know how outside players are playing. So to motivate them and to bring them to at par excellence with those other players, we thought of organizing this event, and I just suggested our president, sir, I want to do it. So he told me with his support and guidance and all the motivations, we are organizing this state and big event. You are witnessing it. So huge crowd, huge peoples. So it is our association and our president whose support we are having.
Of course, with all that experience that you have, you definitely have been the guiding light for Taekwondo Academy of Goa. So have you got the best technical officials team so that we get the best talents winning the medals here?
We are having referees from all parts of India. They are also international referees who can participate in South Asian Game, Asian Game, World Championship. So we are having both categories of international referees, national referees, and not from Goa, from all other parts. So there should not be any bias thing. And we are also having electronic devices here, so that when player reaches the semi-final, final, absolutely there is free. Even the referee doesn't have any work to that extent. The electronic device, they decide who. Basically, there are many stalwarts of the Taekwondo who are international referees, who got enough and more knowledge in the Taekwondo.
How does this big event, the India Open national event, stand, or what's the significance for Goa? How do you see the growth of Taekwondo in Goa after after the success of this event?
So definitely there is a growth at par excellence. I will say like that. Why? Because see, the more the players play the competitions, that much they shine.
Sure.
That we nurture them, they are polished, they are again and again rubbed so that they are becoming like a diamonds. So the more the competition we give, it is a better aspect for the children.
So there we are, of course, the second India Open National Taekwondo Championship has been conducted in full swing, but as far as national games are concerned, they are 10 months away. That's all from us from here right now. Let's go back to some more Taekwondo action from the courts.
The next fight going on in the court. Chong, blue contestant Hong. Oh, good face kick on the Hong's face. Face kick on the Hong's face by Chong. That is Bichagi, back kick. So, players are aggressive. The players from Karnataka and Khalio, injury time, KC. Hong is given a penalty for kicking below the waist. He is being a warning and 1 point deduction for the same. we are witnessing a tough fight. So end of the round, points displayed by the referees. Which contestant has got what points? So second round starts. So 2 points on the chest guard, 3 points on the face, double kick. They have gum jump for Hong for kicking below the waist. 1 point deduction. So Khalio, stop, Chong, gum jump, kicking below the waist, referee signaling there. 1 point deduction for every gum jump, whatever is given by the referee. So turn kicks but no contact. So there should be very little alert. Else Khalio, that is stop, gum jump to Hong for kicking below the waist. Khalio, end of the round. So third round starts here after display of points. Both the players are little alert, not allowing to kick on each other. So less contact, no contact for the kick. Kick, whatever comes, it should be either full contact, either on the chest guard or on the head guard. So points are given if the kick is a valid kick. Simple touch and just spin, no points will be added. Gum jump penalty. Points displayed by the referees. Declaration: winner of the Chong is the winner. Now we have the next fight here. So that's display of kicks are there going on. So kicking above the belt, that is on the chest guard, and the red is declared as the winner by the referee. Now we have seniors playing here. Oh, good fight, good kick on the face also, and Chong is falling down. 1 point deduction for falling down, 1 point minus, and on gum jump which is awarded. So double kicks by Hong. The kicks, turning kicks, back kicks, Diurgi, all kicks. We are witnessing good kicks coming up in display. So end of the round, players going out, coming back, points display by the referees, 8 and 5. Blue contestant is Chong and red is the Hong. So both the players are aggressive, playing good fight among them. Want to win. Oh, good 2 points, clear points by Chong. Out of the court. Chong is out of the court. Referee is giving one gum jump penalty for going out of the court. 1 point deduction of Chong. So we have Khalio, that is stopped by the referee, and the 1 point deduction for Chong because he kicked after Khalio. So aggressive fights going on. Chong is fallen down. Gum jump penalty for falling down. 1 point minus. Both the players are aggressive, playing good fight. Chong and Hong. Good back kick. Double kicks. Chong falling down. And gum jump penalty to Chong for falling down. So Chong and Hong playing good competition. Khalio. Gum jump penalty for Hong for kicking below the waist. 1 point deduction. Starting the end, Khalio. Kuman, end of the round. Start of the round again. Third round. Oh, good fight, good kicks. Good kicks in display. Double kicks, leg kicks, Deurgi, shin kick, all kicks are coming. So these are the seniors, above 17 years, playing in their respective weight categories. So gum jump penalty for Hong for kicking below the waist. So when the opponent holds and kicks, there is no point for that. Besides that, holding, you get a gum jump penalty for holding. Clear kick on the chest guard carries 2 points, slap kick carries 2 points. On the face, 3 points. Good kicks in display. Both the players are good. Khalio, stop. Gum jump penalty for Chong for holding. Punch by both the players. Good fight go. Slap kick, spin delo chagi. That is turning and kicking slap kick coming. Oh, di chagi. Good kick, but missed the target. Khalio, that is stop. Points display by the referees and declaring the winner on the red contestant has won the fight. This is the Pumse for the seniors, senior girls. So fight now, sub-junior girls, under 14 girls fighting. Oh, kick on the face by red contestant. Again, one more kick. So clear kick carries correct points. If the kick is not clear, then the referees will definitely not give points for the same. So both the players are very aggressive, fighting good fight. Kicks coming on the face again and again. So definitely which will add to the points. These are under 14-year girls who are playing the fight in their respective weight category. End of the round. Points displayed by the referee. It is 13 and 8. 8 red is 13 points and blue is 8 points. Again. So referee stopping the game. Gum jump penalty for Chong for kicking below the waist, and under 14 girls playing the fight. A good match. End of the round by the referee. Starting of the third round. Kaleo stop Hong Gamjum for going out of the court. Kaleo stop the game. Hong Gamjum for holding. 1 point deduction for every Gamjum. Kaleo that is stop. Chong is given a Gamjum for holding and 1 Gamjum for kicking after Kaleo. Kuman, end of the round. Players going to their respective places. So declaring the winner now. Hong is the winner.
Second India Open National Taekwondo Championship 2019 saw the presence of Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida. He himself is a Taekwondo enthusiast and has been a consistent in promoting the talent. In his speech, he motivated the players and gave away the medals to the winners.